welcome to another video. Today I will go and visit my uncle and hopefully we will get him to join me on a ride in my BMW E36 Driftmissile beater car, and we will try to do some drifting. And as you can see, it's not a lot of snow around, but even though I have not that many horsepower, we will try to have a lot of fun, and I think we will. This has a welded diff and a bucket seat, so I am sitting pretty tight, so I will just try to seriously just trash this car around, try to really like scare him and make him feel a little bit uncomfortable, but hopefully first we need to get him to join me to drive, so let's go. I don't know, can't see him. Maybe he's actually woken up. Hey, what's up?
Hvorfor har du kamera?
Nei, jeg laget en video da.
Ok.
Hva er det du driver med egentlig?
Jeg ser på TV og slapper av.
Kan vi ikke ta en tur ut da, og kjøre litt?
Tur ut?
Ja, kjøre litt. Ut og ha det litt gøy.
Ha det gøy?
Ja.
Ja, nei.
Jo, bli med ut da.
Nei, jeg drikker kaffe, nei.
Kaffe nå, det er jo...
Nei, jeg vil være i fred her og drikke kaffe.
Være i fred?
Ja. Hvor er vi skal nå, Andreas?
Nei, ut og leke litt da. Men i forhold til hvis jeg skal lage...
Engelsk da, din dust.
Jeg holder jo på da, din idiot!
Ok. All right. So you come to me Saturday only for drifting?
Yeah, to bring you drifting. This will be a good experience.
So in my important time with coffee drinking and, you know, thinking about life and everything,
no.
I have to interrupt that for drifting?
Yes. Drifting is life.
Ah, no, it's not the life, Andreas. It's not life at all.
You like the car?
Yes.
It's cool?
What kind of car is this?
It's a BMW E36.
BMW?
BMW, yes, German.
Aha, okay.
Yeah.
BMW
E36.
E36?
E36.
Okay.
316.
But E36, what's...
Oh, it's the chassis type. So,
chassis type?
Chassis type, yes.
Okay.
So that tells you what kind of body style it has. And this is a E36 compact, that's why the rear end is very small.
Okay.
And it's also very lightweight, so it's good for drifting, which we're going to do now.
So E36 means good for drifting, or?
Well, yeah, you can say so. BMW E36s, all of them are pretty good for drifting.
So that's why you bought this old car?
Yes, that's why I bought this old car.
How much do you give for this?
Not a lot, 700 euros.
700 euros?
Euros. Very cheap.
Experience drifting now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, I think so.
What is this? What are you doing? You can't smoke in the...
Why? But I am a smoker, Andreas.
Are you ready to go drifting?
Okay.
Yeah?
Right.
Yeah. No. Not with that cigarette. Get that out.
Andreas, come on.
No. No?
Then we have to wait, Andreas. Where is the fun with this?
I will stop being so negative. Are you ready to try?
Try here?
But just a little bit. Small,
All right.
Yeah?
Woo! Joy!
Oh, look at that smile. Oh, yeah, it's not that bad.
And this is the fun about it.
Oh, this is the fun.
Oi.
Oi. Oh, so much fun.
Where are we going now?
To another drift location. Another place where we can safely do some drifting. Yes. Do not want to do it on the road.
Is it only you that drift there, or is someone else drifting?
I will drift.
So you...
Do you not have to have your seatbelt on?
Huh?
You need to wear your seatbelt.
Ah.
Yeah, man, come on. Get it on.
Come on.
No, that's
Why
very
is that so important?
safety first. Especially now that we're drifting.
Everyone has to die sometimes.
No.
You have to remember that.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, we are, but not today. You want to feel the power? Oi. Oh,
Yeah.
all this power.
All these horses.
All these horses,
Okay.
little ponies.
Alright. I don't have good balance nerves, so maybe I'm getting sick of all this
Are you
drifting.
getting CarSick already?
Yeah, no, but I can be, I think.
Yeah, maybe.
But in the cheap car I can puke here.
No. Not puke here.
No?
No.
Okay.
Shall not puke here.
Woo! Woo! Okay. Oh my god. I'm getting dizzy now, I think.
Dizzy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
A lot of fun?
Yeah.
You need that coffee soon, maybe?
Yeah, I think so. I get dizzy now, Andreas.
A bit early in the morning.
And you call this fun?
It's
You're
very
giving
fun.
your uncle a dizzy Saturday?
Around here, but maybe.
Aren't you afraid you will crash all the car? Or...
Can happen.
Oh.
It's a lot of gravel right here, so it's very difficult to do some drifting. And right here is some ice, so
Maybe
it's
a bit of
probably
ice
a
here.
lot of slippery. Yeah, very slippery right here.
Yeah. But
It's very difficult today. It's challenging conditions.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Maybe you will crash here or...
In the trees,
Yeah.
we can try this out or something.
Oh! This rock, Andreas!
Yeah. Everything under control.
Ooh.
How are you feeling? Very dizzy?
This drifting is killing me, Andreas.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it that bad?
You're lucky I'm not puking in your car, Andreas.
No?
Drive me home, Andreas.
Yeah, I think we will.
I'm finished for today. Absolutely finished.
Yeah.
It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Maybe drifting some. Maybe you can drift next time.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, okay. No, okay. Yeah. Oh, we will drive you home and get you a coffee and a smoke, and you
Yeah, I
can
think so.
have your Saturday.
I don't like this drift.
You don't like the drifting?
No.
No.
No going around and around in circles.
Yeah, he's not doing very good. He is feeling quite dizzy now, and it's no joke. He said that he may want to vomit, that he's actually that sick. So, no good. Let's check in with him. Yeah, how you doing?
All this kind of thing, Andreas, makes me dizzy. But no more drifting for today. Okay?
Yeah, maybe you can try it out later.
Yeah, we will see, but not
Not today. No. Okay, we are finally home again. I will now thank you guys for watching this video, and as you can see, my uncle is still pretty toast after today, but I think he had a lot of fun, so I will now end the video. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you did, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.